Hey there, today we have a very interesting problem to discuss. So, here's the scoop. There was scammers spreading scam links on GitHub that directed users to a fake Cloudflare captcha page. The scammers instructed victims to execute a series of keyboard shortcuts, including pressing the Windows key and R, followed by Ctrl and V, and then hitting enter. The question is, how can we tell if, by following these instructions, our computer has been infected with any virus from the scam? Now, let's delve into the solution. Firstly, it's crucial to never engage in actions outside the browser if prompted by a website, especially if you're unsure of their legitimacy. Reputable companies like Cloudflare would never request users to run CLI commands. In this case, the script attempts to load encrypted code into the Windows application domain, posing a significant risk of infection. So, it's safe to assume that the system has been compromised. In addition, detecting the infection isn't straightforward, as the code could be sophisticated and may not be easily detected by typical antivirus software. The attacker behind the scam likely is well versed in their craft, making it even more challenging to identify and remove the virus. It may be necessary to seek the expertise of a security professional to fully understand the implications and potential damage caused by the scam. To wrap it up, it's essential to stay vigilant online and avoid falling victim to such scams. If you suspect your computer has been compromised, seeking assistance from a security expert is advisable. Remember, when it comes to cybersecurity, prevention is key. Alright folks, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Stay safe out there.